Another poet, he said, وَلَوْ كُلُّ كَلْبٍ عَوَى أَلْقَمْتُ حَجَرًا لَأَصْبَحَ صَخْرٌ مِثْقَالًا بِدِينَارِ. If every dog that barked, you threw a rock at it, the value of the rock will go up. The value of the rock will go up. So if this one shouts, and then another one shouts, and then another shouts, and then another one shouts, and every single person you respond to them, that's not how it is. You have to turn away from the ignorant ones. Inshallah ta'ala, in today's tafsir, I want to talk about قوله ta'ala, the statement of Allah, خُذِ الْعَفْوَ وَأْمُرْ بِالْعُرْفِ وَأَعْرِضْ عَنِ الْجَاهِلِينَ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He says, خُذِ الْعَفْوَ. What does it mean, خُذِ الْعَفْوَ? It means, اقبل, go towards Muhammad. Allah is talking to Nabiullah Muhammad, and He's talking to all of us as well. Take with you and come with al-afwa, forgiveness. Don't be a person who is who doesn't forgive. Forgive. If you see from the people good manners, go forward with them, deal with them, and if you don't, then forgive them. The humans are like that. Either what you see from them is that which is pleasing, you come forward and you benefit, inshallah ta'ala, and you be with them. And if you see sometimes from the people that which is displeasing, then you take the quality of just forgiving them. And that's what the ayah is saying. خُذِ الْعَفْوَ, take forgiveness with you. يعني الصفح عنه وتجاوزه. Forgive him. And all those bad manners and those su'ul akhlaq and those vulgar things that you see from them. Allah says in the Quran, وَلَا تَسْتَوِي الْحَسَنَةُ وَلَا السَّيِّئَةُ ادفع بالتي هي أحسن فإذا الذي بينك وبينه عداوة كأنه ولي حميم وما يلقاها إلا الذين صبروا وما يلقاها إلا ذو حظ عظيم. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala here, He tells us subhanahu wa ta'ala, the good and the evil are not the same. وَلَا تَسْتَوِي الْحَسَنَةُ وَلَا السَّيِّئَةُ. The good and the evil are not the same. idfa', repel the evil with what? بِالَّتِي هِيَ أَحْسَنُ, that which is good. If something evil is done to you, repel it with good. Respond to it with good. فَإِذَا الَّذِي بَيْنَكَ وَبَيْنَهُ عَدَاوَةٌ كَأَنَّهُ وَلِيٌّ حَمِيمٌ. And if you do that, what will happen is, the person that you had animosity and evil with, when you deal with them like that, they will return good. كَأَنَّهُ وَلِيٌّ حَمِيمٌ. He's going to become like a close friend of yours. Abdullah ibn Zubayr radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma, may Allah be pleased with him and his father, Zubayr ibn Awam, he said, أَمَرَ اللَّهُ نَبِيَّهُ. Allah commanded His Prophet. Allah is the one who's commanded the Prophet ﷺ. Allah commanded him what? أَن يَأْخُذَ الْعَفْوَ مِنْ أَخْلَاقِ النَّاسِ. That he takes forgiveness from the etiquettes of the people. وَلِذَلِكَ Ibn Atiyah, he said, وَصِيَّةٌ مِنَ اللَّهِ عَزَّ وَجَلَّ لِنَبِيِّهِ. It's an advice from Allah tabarak wa ta'ala for His Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. تَعُمُّ جَمِيعَ أُمَّتِهِ, and encompasses the entire ummah. Okay? وَأَخْذٌ بِجَمِيعِ مَكَارِمِ الْأَخْلَاقِ, which is to take all good manners. معناه, it means اقبل من الناس في أخلاقهم وأقوالهم ومعاشرتهم ما أتى عفوا دون تكلف. وأمر بالعرف. وأمر بالعرف, what does it mean? أي وأمر الناس, command the people, Muhammad, بالعرف أي بالمعروف, command them that which the Sharia accepts and that which the Sharia likes. الذي يقره الشرع. Command them that the speech and the actions which the Sharia considers good. It's like what Allah tabarak wa ta'ala said, وَلْتَكُمْ مِنْكُمْ أُمَّةٌ يَدْعُونَ إِلَى الْخَيْرِ وَيَأْمُرُونَ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ وَيَنْهَوْنَ عَنِ الْمُنْكَرِ وَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْمُفْلِحُونَ. Let there be from amongst the ummah those who call to the good and that prohibit the evil, and those are the people who are successful. Then Allah says, وَأَعْرِضْ عَنِ الْجَاهِلِينَ, and turn away from those who are ignorant. Turn away from them. وَأَعْرِضْ, turn away from who? عَمَّنْ جَهِلَ عَلَيْكَ, the one who's ignorant with you. If he's acting in a dim-witted way towards you, just turn away from him. Don't steep to his level. Don't have dignity that Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala gives to the believers. It's mentioned that Fakhruddin al-Razi, he said that the intent here is that Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala commanded the Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to be patient upon the evil characteristics of the people, and that the Prophet does not respond to their speech which is filthy, وَلَا أَفْعَالِهِمُ الْخَسِيسَ بِأَمْثَالِهَا. He doesn't respond to their bad words and their bad actions. He doesn't respond to it in the same way. No, you have to turn away from them. As Allah said about the Ibadur Rahman, وَإِذَا خَاطَبَهُمُ الْجَاهِلُونَ قَالُوا سَلَامًا. When the ignorant people talk to them, what do they say? Salama. وَلِذَلِكَ the poet, he said, إِذَا نَطَقَ السَّفِيهَ فَلَا تُجِبْهُ فَخَيْرٌ مِنْ إِجَابَتِهِ سُكُوتُ. If the dim-witted one talks, don't respond to him. Don't respond to him. What is better is that you don't respond to him. You're silent. Okay? Another poet, he said, وَلَوْ كُلُّ كَلْبٍ عَوَى أَلْقَمْتُ حَجَرًا لَأَصْبَحَ صَخْرٌ مِثْقَالًا بِدِينَارِ. If every dog that barked, you threw a rock at it, the value of the rock will go up. The value of the rock will go up. So, if this one shouts, and then another one shouts, and then another shouts, and then another one shouts, and every single person you respond to them, that's not how it is. You have to turn away from the ignorant ones. That's the response. Abdullah ibn Abbas radiallahu ta'ala anhuma, he mentions, he says, قَدِيمَ عُيَيْنَةَ ibn Hisn ibn Hudayfa. He came to his what? His ibn akhihi. His name was Al-Hurr ibn Qaysin. He came to him. Umar, there was a group of people who used to be in his inner circle. And they were the qurra, they were the scholars and the ulama. So Uyayna, who came, Uyayna ibn Hisn ibn Hudayfa, who came to his ibn akhihi, his nephew, Al-Hurr ibn Qaysin, he said to Hurr ibn Qaysin, I need a favor from you. Hey, هل لك وجه عند هذا الأمير? Do you have the ability to take me to Umar ibn al-Khattab? When Uyayna ibn Hisn entered onto Umar radiallahu anhu, he said to him straight away, Ya ibn Khattab. He said to him, Umar, Ya ibn Khattab. He says, you don't give us the al-jazal. And al-jazal, it means al-ataya al-kathira. You don't give us a lot. You're stingy. وَلَا تَحْكُمْ بَيْنَنَا بِالْعَدْلِ. And you don't judge us with justice. You don't, Umar. فَغَضِبَ عُمَرُ. Umar became angry. Umar was so angry that he wanted to grab him and do something to him. فَقَالَ لَهُ الْحُرُّ بْنُ قَيْسٍ, said to him, Ya Amir al-Mu'minina. Allah tabarak wa ta'ala, he said to his prophet, خُذِ الْعَفْوَ, take forgiveness. وَأْمُرْ بِالْعُرْفِ, command the good. وَأَعْرِضْ عَنِ الْجَاهِلِينَ, and turn away from the ignorant ones. وَإِنَّ هَذَا مِنَ الْجَاهِلِينَ, and this one is from the ignorant ones. Umar radiallahu anhu, as soon as he heard the ayah recited, he didn't go forward. He didn't move forward and do anything. And look what the narration mentions, وَكَانَ وَقَافًا عِنْدَ كِتَابِ اللَّهِ. Umar was one who used to stand at the boundaries of Allah tabarak wa ta'ala like that. The Quran could stop him. Brothers and sisters, there are three things that you can take from the ayah. And these are three powerful points that summarizes the way that a Muslim carries himself. The first one is, خُذِ الْعَفْوَ, be a person who forgives. Free your heart from grudges and things towards people. Forgive them. خُذِ الْعَفْوَ, forgive. Forget. That's number one. And it's a great quality to have. Because remember, brothers and sisters, forgiving others is a sign that you want Allah to forgive you. خُذِ الْعَفْوَ وَأْمُرْ بِالْعُرْفِ, and command one another good. So forgiveness is the first quality. The second is commanding the people the good. Especially when you're in a da'wah, brothers and sisters, leave off personal grudges that you have all day with people. Call to the deen of Allah. Al-Urf here is that which the Sharia consented to, that which the Sharia is for. That's what you call the people to. The Urf is what the Sharia said, or what the Sharia allowed. The third quality, brothers and sisters, that we take from this verse is what? You come with the quality of staying away from conflicts and indulging with ignorant people. Okay? وَأَعْرِضْ عَنِ الْجَاهِلِينَ. Turn away from the ignorant people. Some people, brothers and sisters, the truth of the matter is they're like the pig. And the pig, what is it? And why am I resembling them to the pig? I'm doing the tashbih from this perspective, inshallah. Pay attention to it. Which is that the pig, he loves to scuffle in the mud. So if someone goes to the pig and he scuffles in the mud, even if you beat the pig in a wrestling match, you go on top of them and you win, the pig enjoyed that whole entire ride. He loved it. He liked what was happening, what was taking place. You on the other hand, you've scuffled in mud. Your clothes is dirty. You feel sick. Brothers and sisters, let's say you have white thobe might be a better example to give. You're wearing a white thobe and you're the best wrestler there is out there. Let's say you're the best wrestler there is out there. And you have somewhere important to go to. And a little kid comes up to you and says, I want to wrestle with you, whose hands are dirty. He's got mud on him. And he says, I want to wrestle with you. Does it mean that you can't wrestle when you say, look, I don't want to wrestle. I want to go. I don't want to wrestle with you. The reason is because I'm going to lose more than you are, than you. I've got more to lose here. So the person should learn this quality of turning away from the ignorant people. You can't jump on every single person. You can't. So that's what Allah Ta'ala told us, a quality which is wa'arid, turn away from the ignorant ones. And don't entertain them all the time. Or else what happens is your level goes down. وَأَعْرِضْ عَنِ الْجَاهِلِينَ